Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and brings you the latest news from the world of astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey through the cosmos. As we embark on this new episode, let's take a moment to appreciate the vast expanse of space that surrounds us. The stars, the planets, the galaxies, all part of a grand tapestry that has fascinated humans for centuries. And today we're going to talk about one of the most spectacular events in the night sky, the Delta Aquariid meteor shower. This meteor shower is a result of the Earth passing through the trail of debris left behind by the comet 96P Machholz, which was discovered by the late astronomer Don Machholz back in 1986. The comet's orbit takes it deep within the inner solar system, and over time, its nucleus has shed particles that now intersect with our planet's path. As we enter the orbit of these particles, they burn up in our atmosphere, producing the spectacular display of shooting stars that we see in the night sky. And what a sight it is! The Delta Aquariid meteor shower is known for its bright, fast-moving meteors that can appear anywhere in the sky, but seem to radiate from the constellation Aquarius. Now, you might be wondering how to distinguish these meteors from others, such as those produced by the Perseid meteor shower, which occurs around the same time of year. The key is to look for the radiant point, the point in the sky from which the meteors appear to originate. For the Delta Aquariids, this point lies in the southern sky, near the constellation Aquarius. So, if you're planning to observe this meteor shower, make sure to find a dark location with minimal light pollution, and get outside after midnight when the skies are typically at their darkest. And don't worry if you can't see many meteors with your naked eye. Just set up your camera or smartphone to capture some photos, and you might be surprised by what you can catch. We've got some amazing photos from our friends at Earthsky, taken by talented photographers who have captured the beauty of this meteor shower. From the stunning images of Baysekon in Turkey to the breathtaking shots of James Reynolds in North Carolina, these photos are a testament to the awe-inspiring power of the universe. And that's not all. We'll be exploring more fascinating space news and stories throughout this episode. But for now, let's take a break and come back with even more exciting topics to discuss. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on StarChat. Welcome back to StarChat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space and time, I'd like to take you to a fascinating corner of the universe, where stars are born, live, and die in a spectacular display of light and energy. Today, we're going to talk about a type of star that's so unique, it's like a howling wolf in the night sky. You see, in the 1800s, astronomers were puzzled by the discovery of stars with unusual emission lines. It was as if these stars were singing a different tune, one that didn't quite fit into the harmony of the universe. But then, in 1868, scientists discovered the element helium, and suddenly, the mystery began to unravel. These stars, now known as Wolf-Rayet stars, were found to be the central stars within planetary nebulae, constantly ejecting gas at high velocity. Imagine a star that's like a cosmic lighthouse, shining bright with a fierce wind blowing out of it, creating a stunning display of ionized oxygen gas. That's what we see in the image of WR-134, a variable Wolf-Rayet star about 6,000 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Cygnus. Chris McGrew, an avid astrophotographer, captured this breathtaking photo from a dark sky location in southwestern New Mexico. As I gaze upon this image, I'm reminded of the awe-inspiring power of the universe. The stellar winds blowing out of WR-134 are like a cosmic storm, shaping the surrounding gas and dust into a beautiful blue shell. It's a testament to the dynamic nature of space, where stars are born, live, and die in a never-ending cycle of creation and destruction. But what I find particularly fascinating about Wolf-Rayet stars is their connection to the broader universe. These stars are like cosmic messengers, telling us about the chemical composition of the universe and the processes that shape the formation of stars and galaxies. By studying these stars, we can gain insights into the fundamental laws of physics that govern the behavior of matter and energy. As we continue to explore the universe, we're reminded of our place within it. We're like tiny islands in a vast ocean, connected to the cosmos through the threads of space and time. And as we gaze up at the stars, we're drawn into a sense of wonder and awe, inspired by the beauty and complexity of creation. So, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of Abawar 134, this howling wolf in the night sky. Let's marvel at the stunning display of light and energy, and let's be reminded of the incredible mysteries that still await us in the universe. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, everyone. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, I'd like to take you on a fascinating trip to the outer reaches of our solar system. You know, there's a mysterious planet beyond Pluto that has captured the imagination of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Sedna, as it's called, is a dwarf planet shrouded in mystery, and now, thanks to some cutting-edge propulsion technology, we might just have a chance to explore it up close. Imagine being able to travel to a world that's about 8 billion miles away from us, a journey that would take a conventional spacecraft many years, perhaps even decades. But what if I told you that scientists are working on a way to reach Sedna in just 10 years? That's right. With the help of advanced propulsion systems like nuclear fusion and solar sails, we might be able to send a spacecraft to this enigmatic world sooner rather than later. The concept is both thrilling and challenging. For instance, the nuclear fusion propulsion system, which harnesses the energy released by combining atomic nuclei, could potentially allow a spacecraft to enter into Sedna's orbit, giving us an unprecedented opportunity to study this distant world in detail. On the other hand, a solar sail mission, which uses the sun's energy to propel a spacecraft, could reach Sedna in about 7 years, but it would only be able to perform a flyby. The implications of such a mission are profound. By exploring Sedna and its surroundings, we could gain valuable insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system, as well as the potential for life beyond Earth. It's a reminder that there's still so much we don't know about the universe, and that the quest for knowledge is what drives us to push the boundaries of innovation and exploration. As we ponder the mysteries of Sedna and the vast expanse of space, let's not forget the incredible achievements that have brought us to this point. From the discovery of dark matter to the detection of gravitational waves, our understanding of the cosmos has expanded exponentially in recent years. And yet, there's still so much more to discover, so much more to explore. So, as we conclude today's Star Chat, I want to leave you with a sense of wonder and awe for the vastness of space and the incredible possibilities that lie within it. Remember that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and that the next great discovery could be just around the corner. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.